Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about the collision. Collision refers to the interaction between two bodies or the particle due to which the direction and magnitude of the velocity of colliding bodies or particle changes. If two bodies are there which are moving initially, the velocities u1 and u2 having masses m1 and m2. If the value of u1 is greater than u2, then they interact with each other, and after interaction their velocity or sometimes their direction also changes. Here you can see in this diagram two bodies of masses m1 and m2 when collide with each other, their velocity gets changes and sometimes the direction also changes. Now discussing about the types of collisions. There are three types of collision, out of which the first one is elastic collision. A collision is said to be elastic collision if both the kinetic energy and momentum of the system remain conserved, or if there is no loss of kinetic energy in collision, then we say that it is an elastic collision. In elastic collision, the kinetic energy is conserved, the momentum is conserved, and the total energy is also conserved. In elastic collision, if a ball is dropped from certain height, rebounds to the same height after striking the surface. There are some examples of elastic collision, as the collision between two billiards balls is also considered as elastic collision. The collision between atomic and subatomic particles are elastic collisions. So elastic collision is a collision in which there is no loss of kinetic energy and both kinetic energy and momentum remains conserved. Now the second type of collision is known as inelastic collision. Inelastic collision is the collision in which momentum of system remains conserved, but the kinetic energy is not conserved. Or we can say a collision in which there is a loss of kinetic energy during collision. In general practice, all the collision which are encountered in daily life are inelastic collisions. In inelastic collision, if a body is dropped from a certain height, after rebounding, after striking the surface, it does not go up to the same height. So this type of collision is known as inelastic collision. In elastic collision, the momentum remain conserved, kinetic energy not conserved, but the total energy is also conserved. Now there is another type of collision which is known as perfectly inelastic collision. Perfectly inelastic collision. The collision in which the two bodies after collision stick together. In a collision in which the two bodies after collision stick together and then move as one body. With a common velocity. In this collision, the momentum remains conserved. The momentum remains conserved, but there is a loss in kinetic energy. Here is an example. Suppose a bullet is moving. A moving bullet strikes a wooden block, and after collision, the bullet gets embedded on this wooden block. And then move as one body. This is the moving bullet. It was a stationary block. This is the condition before collision, and it is the condition after collision. So these are the types of collision.